So we're here outside. It's getting kind of cold. It's about 35 degrees out right now. I haven't posted in like 2 weeks, and there is a reason for that. So the BMW F10 got totaled 2 weeks ago. Stopped at a stop sign in a construction zone. Little kid didn't have a driver's license. Driving, well, he's not little. He's like 20 something. His parents' little shitty Civic. Decided to be on his phone or something with his buddy and rear-ended the BMW. They got up to $20,000 in damage before they totaled it out. You'll see a video of it right after this, a little epilogue, synopsis, whatever it is. But I didn't make a video on it at the time because, I'm like, what the fuck, car got hit. I'm not gonna pull up my camera, start recording to make a YouTube video right away. But car got totaled, car got paid out. I don't know if I discussed the payout for it, but basically I got more than what I paid for it, and I put 13,000 miles on it, so I'm not gonna complain about that. So cleaned it out, car's gone. It actually made its auction already. Hasn't sold yet because they're waiting for the title to come in. I sent them the title. They already gave me the money, so it's up to Progressive. I was gonna wait a little bit to buy a car, but I ended up just going ahead and buying one. So I have a new car, so you guys will see that on the channel. It's a newer car than the F10 was. So you guys will see it on the channel. It was fun while it lasted. F10 bros, step bros. But yeah, got a new car to replace it. Took me about 2 weeks to find one. Got the one I wanted. We'll be making a video on that soon. In the next couple days, I'll turn it out. But this is just a pre-video to what you're about to see with me at the dealership cleaning it out 2 weeks ago. Because I was gonna upload that video, but there's no background information on what happened really. So this is the background information. Got rear-ended, got totaled, insurance paid me out for it. Car's gone. New car is in the garage right now. So thanks for tuning in. Thanks for all the support for the F10 people. I love that car, but she's gone. Shit happens. But we still have the Jeep. We still have the Jeep. Somehow the Jeep won't die. Neither will the Altima. The Altima has like 227,000 miles on it, and it won't die. I don't know what to do. I haven't driven this thing in like 2 weeks. But yeah, I don't know, people. But anyway, we will play the next video now. Well, guys, we're here at the collision center. We got the news. It's totaled. So I thought I'd come over here and give you guys a quick walk around of it. I'm so sad right now. So it's in good condition. Otherwise, they rated it in good condition. I got a value that I was happy with. Hood is popped. Yeah, she's in super good condition. The doors are locked right now while I'm making this video because I'm gonna meet up with the guy tomorrow so I can clean it out. So I don't know if I can take a video of it tomorrow. That's why I'm doing it today. And I don't have the key for it. But this is the damage from getting rear-ended. It didn't look initially that bad until they took all this off. So the crash bar is crunched in pretty good. The trunk itself is crunched in. The spare tire well area is crunched in. The muffler's damaged. That muffler's damaged. Trunk lid's damaged, as you can see. The trunk lid itself is kind of pushed in. It chipped at the paint right there. This all buckled right here. Bumper's destroyed, of course. All the little doodads on the bumper's destroyed. All the wiring is destroyed. They said that there's a wiring harness somewhere in there, and that got destroyed too. You guys better be. Yeah, it took a pretty good hit. So, yeah, they said they got up to $19,000 in damage before they just called it quits on the inspection. So, yeah, guys, it's a sad day. I took such good care of this car. At least, the dude was dead honest and was like, yeah, you did a great job taking care of the car. It looks, goddamn. He said it looks great. They checked off everything like a 3 out of 3 condition-wise. So they said everything was in perfect condition. I didn't lose a penny on the condition of the car. Because, like, say the headliner is dirty or the car has scratches or whatever, insurances will be like, oh, that lowers the value of the car. He said you got max value. I was happy with the price of the car I got. I basically, to be honest, guys, I came up $3,000. So I came up $3,000 in the car. Almost $3,000. Yeah. For driving it 10 months, 8 months, and putting like a little over 10,000 miles. So I'm happy with it. But yep, she's dead. So I got a rental car. I like it actually. It's a Mazda CX-5 all-wheel drive. It's pretty clean. Pretty nice truck. But anyway. So I guess what's next, people? What's next is we're gonna clean it out in a couple days. It's Saturday right now and they're closed. So I'm gonna come over here and clean it out. And then I'm actually thinking of buying a 330. M340s are kind of out of my price range. A newer version of this is also out of my price range, but I can get like a 2020 or a 2021 330 xDrive for, you know, low 30s, and they're fairly loaded. They're very nice. So we'll see, guys. I'll see what I bring to the channel. But yeah, that's all she wrote for this car. But it was good while it lasted, I guess.